30 seconds and you will know why do your knees crack. That cracking sound? It's usually just gas bubbles in the synovial fluid. Your knee joint is filled with this lubricating fluid that reduces friction when you move. Over time, gases like nitrogen and carbon dioxide dissolve in this fluid. When you move suddenly, these gases form and collapse, just like when you crack your knuckles. That's the pop you hear. Totally normal and nothing to worry about. But if it's more of a grinding noise, with pain or swelling, see a doctor or physio. Early treatment can save your knees. No pain? You're good to go. But listen to your knees. They're talking to you. Hit like and subscribe for more health tips.